Messinez World Famous Foods, Gardening 2026, back in Germany. So this is our raised bed, or Hochbeet in German. We got our base here already. Bunch of branches to use as a drainage. Some dirt and stuff. But we're gonna be putting in our compost next on top of this. All right, watch this. Okay, so if you go in the store, they got 1, 2, 3, right? We already got the 1, which is the base. This is number 2, which is the compost. Just put this in there. Spread it all along. With the prices of everything, it's kind of cheaper to do stuff yourself. Okay, just even this out. Get all them big clumps. Look at that, look at that. Okay, now we're going to put the number 3 in. All right, so this is the potting soil, which is number 3. Just get this out here. Okay, just even this out also. You guys can figure out how big your raised bed is to know how much you're going to put in here. It's not that big, so just like this. Okay, here we go. All right, so we got some from the Germans now. This is hot pepper, pepperoni, scharf. Put these in here. We're only going to plant 2 of these today. Look at that. So you guys, it's so simple to do. Now we're going to put this right so we know exactly what that is. The next one, same thing. Give them enough space between each other. Just make a little hole right there, put that in there. Okay. Okay, we got some lettuce. Just put these in here also. Again, let's make a little hole. Put them in there. We got 6 of these, so we put another one right here. One right here. Right, that's it, folks. Okay, now we can just water our guys here. And that's 6, folks.